Hi everyone, welcome to 3.0 TV. You're watching CoinCheck, your go-to source for everything crypto. आज हम देख रहे हैं MakerDAO के बारे में. Maker has rebranded from Maker to Sky. Sky उनका new transformation rebranding है और it is one of the biggest transformations है. अभी what does this mean for Maker holder and Sky का future है क्या decentralized finance या DeFi में देखते हैं. Let's dive in today. So today's coin of the day is MakerDAO, which is now rebranded into Sky. MakerDAO, the team behind DAI, which is the world's largest stablecoin, decentralized stablecoin, is undergoing a radical transformation under the leadership of Rune Christensen. Maker is splitting into sub-DAOs and turning Maker into a wrapper for Sky tokens. अभी थोड़े की स्टार्स देख लेते हैं. मेकर जो पुराना टोकन है करंटली स्टिल ट्रेडिंग मेनली मेजर एक्सचेंजेस पे. अभी भी मेकर और स्काई अभी तक आया नहीं है. थोड़े बहुत एक्सचेंजेस पे स्काई भी आ गया है. मेकर का प्राइस इज अराउंड $1,100, 2.5% नीचे लास्ट 24 आवर्स का. मार्केट कैप इज $926 million, अराउंड $1 billion. फुली डायल्यूटेड वैल्यू इज $955 million. तो ज्यादा फर्क नहीं है मार्केट कैप और फुली डायल्यूटेड वैल्यू में. तो ज्यादा इट्स अ गुड थिंग, ज्यादा कोई अनलॉक्स या ये सब ज्यादा शेड्यूल नहीं है. 24-hour trading volume is around $97 million. Total value locked on Maker on different blockchains is around $4 billion. Circulating supply of Maker is around 852,000 Maker tokens. Sky, which is a new token which they've rebranded it to, its price is around 0.045. It is currently down by almost -2.6%. Fully diluted value, which is incorrect. I think after the migration we'll know it better, is $49 million. 24-hour trading volume is $10 million. So we can see कि trading volume में भी काफी फर्क है. तो Sky अभी तक उतना adopt और सब Sky यूज करने लगेंगे trading के लिए. And total supply is set to be 1.09 billion tokens at the moment of Sky. तो अभी उसका प्राइस परफॉर्मेंस देखेंगे तो Maker और Sky दोनों almost 20%, 17 to 18% ऊपर है last 30 days में. This is the top gainer in the top 100 cryptocurrencies in the last 30 days, Maker. So that is one very good thing. Now let's see what's changing and why is Maker or Sky pumping. So first reason, as I told you, is Maker का Sky में transition हो गया. Maker will become a wrapper and every Maker token will be equivalent to 24,000 Sky tokens. तो इसके वजह से नया स्पेकुलेशन है नए टोकन के अकॉर्डिंग. अभी इन लोग ने और एक कॉन्सेप्ट कर दिया. इट वाज फर्स्ट MakerDAO, बट नाउ दे हैव मेड इट सब-DAOs और एक गवर्नेंस उन लोग ने मॉडल चेंज कर दिया. MakerDAO has been divided into multiple autonomous sub-DAOs, each with its own governance, shifting towards a more AI-driven decentralized system. This gives more power to sub-DAOs and strengthens protocol resilience. Third is obviously deflationary models. जब ये token rebrand करते they try to make sure the token is deflationary. Sky's tokenomics introduced burn mechanisms to reduce supply over time, creating scarcity. Then there is the DeFi revival and expansion. Obviously, जब एक rebranding होती है तो that was also done for revival of a project or expansion, जैसे हमने Sonic के साथ देखा और जो Phantom से Sonic हो गया था. तो that is one more reason. उसके वजह से उसका protocol efficiency बढ़ गया. Things have changed, things have become better, and that has led to a rise in T-bill as investors regain confidence. DAI जो उनका stable coin है उसका demand भी surge हो गया. It has grown by 9% this month, signaling higher borrowing and adoption, further strengthening Maker adoption. Institutional accumulation, hedge funds and DeFi whales are accumulating Maker ahead of its full Sky transition, driving market momentum. तो बेसिकली Maker is a lending and borrowing platform जिधर आप आपके assets जाके lend कर सकते हो और उसके अगेंस्ट आप tokens borrow कर सकते हो. That is the number one of the top lending and borrowing platforms in the crypto space. अब एक छोटी सी न्यूज़ है साथ साथ. तो एक $360 million का लिक्विडेशन ऑलमोस्ट अवॉइड हुआ था इथेरियम पे, जो Maker पे हुआ था जब इथेरियम का प्राइस 1788 पे गिरा था. तो एक वॉलेट जो नवंबर से इनएक्टिव है उसने 2000 इथेरियम बिटफिनिक्स से डिपॉजिट की एंड उसने 1.5 मिलियन डाई का जो लोन था वो एकदम लास्ट मिनट रीपे कर दिया टू अवॉइड द पोजीशन फ्रॉम गेटिंग लिक्विडेटेड. तो एक $360 million का पोजीशन लिक्विडेट होने वाला था और वो लिक्विडेशन अभी बच गया बिकॉज मोर मनी वाज डिपॉजिटेड टू अवॉइड लिक्विडेशन फॉर द लोन. Another wallet initially suspected to belong to Ethereum Foundation, but speculation is it could also be an early investor of Ethereum, deposited around 30,000 Ethereum or $56 million to lower its liquidation price of that Ethereum version to $1,100. So this has been something going on the Maker platform and it could have a lot of impacts. अभी बात करते हैं Maker की प्राइस मूवमेंट की. Maker has shown resilience despite strong broader market volatility, exhibiting a 20% rally this month with key bullish indicators. Number one is daily active addresses, which has increased 37% week on week, indicating rising demand. Second is transaction volume. The number of transactions rose from 109,000 transactions on February 18 to 936,000 transactions on February 23rd. and this has been the highest yearly transaction volume so far. The next is revenue growth. उन्होंने Maker ने $734,000 का revenue generate किया on Feb 24th, the highest since early January in the last 2 months. So ये सारे factors make it very bullish कि we are seeing numbers, ecosystem, DeFi, every aspect is growing. So that is a very good thing when you see adoption and use case and real world utility that is happening for the particular project. अभी टेक्निकल इंडिकेटर्स देखते मेकर के लिए RSI और Relative Stat Index is currently around the 70 range, indicating overbought conditions. Money flow index is above neutral, confirming strong buying pressure. Key levels to look out for Maker is the resistance is at $1180. That is the first resistance, and the second resistance at 1250. The support is on $1,050 and $990. 50-day moving average is around $1,080. 200-day moving average is around $970. Similarly for Sky, almost same ही रहता है क्योंकि one maker is 24,000 Sky. So Sky का resistance is around 0.05. The second resistance is around 0.057. Support is at 0.042. Next support is at 0.038. 50-day moving average is at 0.044, and 200-day moving average is around 0.036. तो अभी प्राइस की बात करते हैं. If Maker breaks above $1,180, you can expect a push towards $1,250 to $1,300 in short term. If Maker drops below $1,050, a retest of $990 is likely. If Sky holds above $0.045, it could rally towards 0.05 to 0.057 as SubDAOs has gone live. And a breakdown below 0.042 could trigger a pullback to 0.038 before the next. Now, what's the future outlook? Abhi upcoming migration to Sky ecosystem will continue evolving with complete migration of Maker to Sky in 2025. That is expected. Launch of multiple sub-DAOs to enhance governance and utility. Next is increased token burns and deflationary pressure, जैसे मैंने बोला, supporting long-term price appreciation. Because जितने ज़्यादा tokens burn होगी उतना supply कम होते जाएगा, which would lead into an increase in price. And new lending proposals boosting DeFi activity and token demand. So finally, is Sky the future of DeFi? MakerDAO is making bold moves, and the transition from Maker to Sky is one of the biggest shifts in DeFi history. With sub-DAOs, increased decentralization, and a reworked governance model, this could reshape decentralized finance for the years to come. What do you think? Will Sky's new structure succeed, or is this too radical for a change for MakerDAO? Drop your thoughts in the comment. So that's it for today's Coin Check. Like, share, and subscribe for more crypto insights. Keep watching T.O TV to be updated on the latest news happening in the Web3 space.